Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Redmi Note 3 and the Redmi Note 5. Redmi Note 3 sports a Snapdragon 650 processor with Adreno 510 GPU with 4 Cortex A53 cores and 2 Cortex A72 cores. This phone was launched 2 years ago and ruled the Indian market. Base variant was priced at 10,000 rupees for the 2GB RAM variant and the next variant was priced at 12,000 rupees for 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU and 8 Cortex A53 cores, which are like 8 small engines. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant and the next variant is priced at 12,000 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores from both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. Purely in terms of raw numbers and specifications, Redmi Note 3 is more powerful, but it is a 2-year-old phone and the software updates are not very consistent. With that said, the current Redmi Note 3 used in this video is running MIUI Global version 9.2 with January security patch based on Android 6.0. Now both the phones have completed opening the first 16 applications and the difference between both the phones is just 2 seconds, with Note 5 in the lead, but considering the 2-year-old Redmi Note 3, this difference is negligible. So let's see the final results once we open all the games. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 6 seconds faster at opening the 20 applications than Redmi Note 3. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast each phone actually is. Both phones were equally fast at opening most of the applications. For some apps, Note 3 was faster by few milliseconds and for some other apps, Note 5 was faster by few milliseconds. So it's a tie in the speed test. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, I have the 3GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 3 and the 4GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5. By the way, I have disabled MIUI optimization and memory optimization from developer options on both the phones. memory management is really good on both the phones. So once again, it's a tie. So guys, for a phone that was launched 2 years ago, Redmi Note 3 was able to perform as good as Redmi Note 5, which was launched just few weeks ago. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.